Hi there and welcome to Zoho Data Prep. Today, we will see how Zoho Data Prep can help us remove duplicates from our data. I have imported leads data from Zoho CRM. It has a few duplicate email IDs, which is a problem. I want to check for duplicate email IDs and retain only the unique IDs that have values in the lead status column. I would also prefer to keep only the recently created leads. In other words, I want to remove duplicate data based on certain conditions. Let's see how I can achieve this using Zoho Data Prep. Since I want to remove duplicates based on the email ID column, I'll use the column-wise deduplication method. Let me add the email ID column here. This ensures that only those records with the same email IDs are picked as duplicates. Next, I need to add the conditions to remove duplicate email IDs. Automatic deduplication removes all duplicates, but I want to check for a condition. So, let me choose manual deduplication. Now, the first condition is to keep those records that have a lead status value. Let me add the lead status column and choose the is not empty option. And I want to keep only the newly created records. Therefore, I'll add the created time column and choose the is latest option to keep the latest records. I could keep adding more conditions or even a complete formula, but that's for another video. So here's the preview. As you can see, rows with duplicate email IDs having empty lead status and older records based on created time are highlighted and are ready to be removed. This is the output I'm looking for. I'll click Apply. The data looks fine. Now I can export a clean dataset to my Zoho CRM view without any duplicate records. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you have any questions or use cases, please leave a comment below or feel free to write to us at support@zohodataprep.com. Thanks for watching.